Gabe Norwood back after a slight injury in the last game.
Well, that's big development on the part of Rain or Shine.
Here's Jeremiah. Over to Brownlee. Baseline jumper is good.
You talk about penetration, kickouts, just good ball movement. Barangay Ginebra, parang hindi naman nagpahinga to.
Nice
Whoa!
pass. That's the. They're so used to each other already.
Right.
That's just beautiful basketball right there by Ginebra. Scotty. That pass almost intercepted. It's going to go out of bounds. No, it's still in action. JB off the glass. That's good.
But if you are Rain or Shine, you have to be very happy with how they dove for that loose ball.
4:51 right now left here as there's an alley-oop to JB.
Eye-to-eye contact. That's just it.
Yeah.
And it was sure 2 points for Justin Brownlee. Great pass coming from Narspito.
Qualls. Torres. Regardless, coach. JB forces that in.
Now, even with the help side defense, a challenge coming from Norbert Torres, you're not going to stop Justin Brownlee once he's already inside the paint.
JB attacks, gets away, puts it up and in.
It's very hard to stop Justin Brownlee on the dribble. Some hesitation move.
Over to JB for 3. He enters the ball game and it hits a triple.
And that is a very painful situation for Ray.
Still with it, over to Brownlee, for 3. Got it.
Wow. The offensive juggernaut of Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings is present here in the fourth quarter.
You know, this all started here. Justin Brownlee gets away, puts it up and in.
And that was how big that rebound of Nard's Pinto was for Barangay Ginebra.
The Buck now, they're in this ball game. And Justin Brownlee said, what success?
Take over.
This is a rare miss from Pinto, but Justin Brownlee puts it in.
Keeping that ball alive, that tap coming from Scotty Thompson. Tinuturo ka na Gino. Gino, this is for you! Or did they hear?
And that's the final score. 116 to 108. It turned out to be a great ball game after a very one-sided first quarter.